Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a paper airplane. So first you want to bend the two top corners in and make them equal. You want them to look like triangles almost. Then you want to push down the edges. Make sure you do it hard, especially if you're using cardstock like I did. But you don't have to use cardstock. You can use paper. You can use anything, maybe except for toilet paper. Then you want to bend from where the middle of those two triangles are, and you want to bend the paper in half. And it's going to look like a house that you cut in half almost. Next, you want to make sure you push that down, and you want to only push a little bit, and you want the end to be at the very tip, but I was struggling with that because of cardstock. And then you want to not make it to the very end, but you want to just make it a little fold. And yeah, I was struggling a lot to make it touch the end. And it should look like that. Then you're going to want to turn it to the other side and do the exact same thing. Just a little itty bitty fold. And make sure it goes all the way to that tip. Then you want to have a fold even thinner than that over that fold that you just made. And after you do that, you also want that to go to the tip. Then next you want to do the same thing to the other side. If I were you, I would suggest not to use cardstock because, first of all, my paper airplane wasn't as good as usually because I usually use regular paper. But yeah, just use your regular paper. So then you want to, instead of making a fold smaller than that, you want to make a big fold this time. And you would do two big folds. Then after you do two big folds, sorry, my brother just threw that. But after you make the two big folds, it should look like this. The finished product will look like this. It will open up like that, so you could put little notes inside. And yeah, now let's go test how it goes. And here you can see that the paper airplane hits the wall, but usually that doesn't happen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments if you want me to do more tutorials. Bye!